now tuned in to Discussions with Dena.
Welcome. I am Dena, and this is Discussions with Dena. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I hope that everyone within the sound of my voice are doing well and finding yourself in the best of health, wealth, and spirit. You can listen to this podcast on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Play, or anywhere you get your podcasts from. I just wanted to share a brief message with my Black family today. Sometimes it is very necessary to offer support and encouraging words, especially in these times in which we are living in today. Particularly here in America, among all of the death, destruction, and the brutality that seems to be a constant theme toward us amid this COVID pandemic. My beautiful Black people, perhaps these words can assist in your endeavor to free ourselves mentally, physically, and spiritually. If nothing else, just consider what is being said and take what you can from what you hear and use it within your own life while we travel this journey to freedom, justice, and equality. Be safe, be kind, and above all, keep striving to do and build a strong Black nation of lovers of self and kind. So one day our seeds will truly know what it is like to be and enjoy real true freedom and can truly know what it means to experience justice and not have to deal with just us being mistreated, treated inhumanely, and under the feet of our lifelong oppressors. Thank you for joining me today and enjoy the message.
White folk are rich and powerful, the rich and powerful, because Black folk worked for 310 years as chattel slaves and got not one day's pay. There comes a time in your life when you can't take no more. That's the time you decide it's either life or death, but tyranny has to cease. That's the time we're living in now. No more Trayvon Martin. No more Tamir Rice. No more Eric Garner, because that's always going to be until we decide. Yes. That must end. And when you decide that it will end, because then you're ready to pay whatever the price is to bring it to an end. And when you are willing and not afraid anymore to pay the price for freedom, don't let this white man tell you that violence is wrong. Every damn thing that he got it by being violent. Killing people, raping and robbing and murdering. He's doing it as we speak. And then he has the nerve to come and tell us that violence and hatred won't get it. Don't buy that. He's worthy to be hated. Worthy because of the evil that he does. God hates. I don't know why man think you're better than God, when God in the Bible said he loved Jacob, but he hated Esau. In the Bible, he said no man can serve two masters. He'll love one and hate the other. They have made us little sheep that they can walk over and run over. But when we decide it's over, and we should make that decision. It's over. We're not taking it anymore, and we cannot pass on to another generation the legacy of our cowardice when we know the problem and won't move to erase the problem. That's our fault. we got to change. See, one of the things that our ancient people knew, yours and mine, when it got to the point where they would be extinguished, they had to fight. Even if they lost, they had to fight. So the great warrior spirit came up out of us. Same with the blacks, same in Haiti, same in Central and South America, the Maroons. All of those came to a position where they had to fight. In that church, where 9 of our brothers and sisters were shot down by a skunk, how in the hell are we justified in offering him love and he offers us death?
Somebody asked me the other day,
Excuse me for my passion.
That's okay. They asked me, can you forgive him? And I looked at him, I said, no, I cannot forgive him because he knew what he was doing. He was cold and calculated, and he was just fostering the same hate.
Who asked you that question, brother? Did he look like us?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's one of them.
Yeah, I know.
How in the hell? I mean, it's an insult to me
It is an insult.
that you're going to ask me, can you forgive? How long have white people been doing this kind of evil to the darker people in the earth?
Well, how long
Since
do we have
they've
to
been
continue?
here. And when we make up our mind, we're not taking it no more. Because it's better to be dead than to live under tyranny all the days of your life. This is why America separated from England. The tyranny of King George was too much for them to bear. So what did they do? They decided death is better. So it was Patrick Henry that said, give me liberty or give me death. And until we come up with that kind of mind, I'd rather be dead than to live continuously under this kind of tyranny. And when you think like that, you'll do what is necessary to move the tyrant off of you. With the help of God, we will win.
You've been listening to the Honorable Minister Farrakhan. Those words were spoken a while ago, but they are very relevant today. We can use these words to be guides for us. Those words never get old. His message is always relevant. I hope that you will get something out of what you have heard. And I want to invite you back here every Sunday at 2 p.m. to join me for a discussion with Dena. Thank you, and I will see you next time on Discussions with Dena.